How to mute all notifications from Temu. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. To mute all notifications from a Temu, make sure your Temu app is up to date. So after updating your Temu app, open it. Now here on bottom of your screen you can see this U icon, so tap on it. Now here on top right hand side of your screen you will see this settings icon, so tap on it. Here on settings on middle of your screen you will see notifications, so tap on it. Now you will see different options over here. So what you need to do is you need to turn off these first three options: promotion, other updates and chat messages. So to do this, simply click on each of them. So here let me tap on promotions. Now you need to turn this off in-app notifications, so simply tap on it. Similarly, go back and turn all of those off. So now let me do other updates, so tap on it. And on bottom of your screen you will see email, so turn this off. After turning it off, again go back and tap on chat messages. And bottom of your screen you will see email again, so turn it off. And last thing you need to do is on top of your screen you will see this icon, receive push notifications. So make sure that you have disabled these options. So if you have enabled it, you will see disable now option over here. So simply tap on it and disable it. So this is how you turn off notifications from Temu app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.